Welcome to a world full of possibilities. Welcome to the future of fleet management. Welcome to Mercedes Pro. Thanks to this intelligent system, fleet management has never been easier. From now on, there is no such thing as a trip that won't pay off. Thanks to a flexible and efficient job dispatch and vehicle planning, you'll be able to increase your cost effectiveness. Intelligent data analysis helps you to make the right decision in every situation. Your volume of orders increases? No problem. Mercedes Pro allows your fleet to grow for an hour, a day, or permanently with flexible finance options. Through the intelligent connectivity of your fleet and its cargo space, you'll keep vehicle parameters under control in real time. This allows your fleet to operate even more efficiently. And when your next technical inspection is due, you can schedule it individually based on your vehicle utilization. You don't have to turn down valuable orders. Should your van be in service, you'll get a matching replacement vehicle, so business can go on as usual. Mercedes Pro provides a complete service package from one single source to ensure that your business runs smoothly without any interruptions.